I'm here again in the wonderful Fort Lauderdale. It's just me today. We're gonna head offshore, do a little fishing on the outback. But beautiful day, not too choppy at all. Beautiful sunrise. Let's go get it. Fish driven. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit trolling. See if we can make something happen. Not too bad. It's very windy, although you know it's calm. I mean, it's flat, but it's still a little windy. So I apologize for the wind in advance. But let's go ahead and do this. Come on, fish driven. Let's go. It started off pretty good. I mean, as in weather-wise, the wind wasn't too high, but now it's gusting up to 20, and the waves are starting to come up a little bit, but still not too bad. I'm already out here, so again, I'm gonna apologize for the wind. It's gonna be windy. Oh, just got a good bite. But yeah, let's go get them, man. Hopefully I can put a couple in the box today, show you guys what's going on out here. But we're using little pilchards right now, or greenies. But yeah, not too bad. I'm gonna start chumming them up in a second. Just making sure we're on a decent spot. But see what happens. So see, the wind just died down. So it's gonna be going in and out, gusting in and out, which is a little bit annoying, but still not bad, you know. It's just, the water is super clear right now, but with the wind coming in and out, it's probably gonna help the situation a little better for the fish. But I'm anchored up right now. Here comes the wind again. So I'm saying it's gonna be gusting in and out. All right, stay tuned, guys. Fish driven, let's go. Little baby mutton, y'all. Little baby mutton. Let's go. See what else is out there. Crack-a-lacking. Got a shrimp on. Got a smorgasbord of bait out here. Got sardine, I got pilchards, got shrimp. Let's see what's want to eat. Oh, some ballyhoo in front of me. Nice. If I could just get it to stay like this the whole time, I would be good. It'll be great. Fish on. Oh, we got a fat mama grunt here. We'll take her. Fat mama grunt. One in the bucket. We're about to switch up rods anyways, guys. Take that mama grunt. Still got a little piece of bait left on there. Let's see if we go get another one. Because right now, woo, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a little bit little hard out here. They're not biting like they normally do, but we're gonna do what we do. Fish on. What we got here? What we got here? It's a pork fish. We don't really keep these. Not anymore. At least. Be out of there. Some fishies around. Go back with the same little piece of shrimp out there. See if we can start getting them to chewing. Wind slowed down a little bit, guys. Ah, right out of its mouth. Right out of its mouth. It's a good little bite. I think that's all my bait right there. It's a big hook, man. We're gonna switch up again. It's a light action. Start putting some fish on the board. See what happens. I don't know what my size 3s are, size 3/0s, but I only got 2s and 1s and 4s, and 3s are I would say the best out here for what I'm doing at least. But see what happens. Just got to keep moving. But at least I'm fishing and not wishing I was fishing. What we got here? Another fat grunt. All right, we'll take it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, red grouper. Red grouper. Not bad, but still slow. Got a couple grunts, but still slow, guys. Still slow. Trying to bring you guys some kind of videos. Not quite sure if I'm gonna post this one, but it's just too windy, not too much going on. We'll see. Try again. Let's go. See what we can do. It got me. See if we go pull something out. A nice snapper with this one. Man, it's one of those days you just got to go ahead and grind it. Fish driven. If you're fish driven, you'll grind it. See what's going on here. Well, I got one bite. That was it. Then it just stopped. See what happens. Let's see if they come around again. So, and that's kind of the hard part, because the tide is kind of coming back towards me, so I can't really feel that bite as much as I want to. Instead of going away from me, the way I'm anchored up, the wind is pushing me one way, tide's going one way. It's just okay. Ooh, okay. We got something nice here. What we got here? Oh, guys, check it out. Nice little mutton. We won't make it, but still nice. Take it easy, buddy. Take it easy. We're gonna let you go. We're gonna let you go. Man, hey. Just take it easy. Nice mutton snapper, guys. That's how they go. So there are some fish around, but it's still just so windy and rough. And it's not like big chops, you know. There's some couple rollers that came in, but still bad enough to just beat you up a little bit, you know, in a kayak at least. But yeah, we'll probably stay out here for another hour, see what we can do, and then make our way in. It's all right. got my ocean fix, I guess you can say. But really trying to put a nice fish on the board real quick. So we'll see. We'll see what happens within another hour. Stay tuned. Fish driven. Let's go. I'm getting a bite right now, so we'll see. See if it's something stick. Oh, he on there. He on there. He on there, guys. He on there. Woo. He on there, guys. He on there. Woo. This one got a little shoulders to him. Woo. Got a little shoulders to him, guys. What we got here? Oh, another mutton. Bigger one. A bigger one. I don't know if he gonna make it. I don't think he is. But we'll see. We'll see what happens here. I doubt he'll make 18, but hey, take it easy, buddy. Take it easy. Want to measure him? Put him on the board. See if he makes 18. $16.5, guys. 16.5-inch mutton. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's go see if we get some more. Hopefully they schooling up right there. Get another one on. Get a monster this time. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need to take one home. Come on. I need to take one home. Come on. Let's go. Fish driven, baby. It's getting crazier and crazier out here right now. Lord. Just relax a little. Mutton seemed to be hungry. Oh, this definitely a keeper here. This definitely a keeper here if this is a mutton, guys. Woo! I doubt this is a mutton though. Oh, he busted me off. Oh, that had to be a grouper. Oh man. Oh, if that was a mutton. He didn't run, he just busted me off. So that had to be a grouper. But all right, a little action going on, fish driven family. Stay tuned. Got a little yellow, guys. I don't think he makes it though, but not bad, not bad. You can check him, but I doubt he makes it. Little yellowtail. See if he makes it. $11.5. Lucky guy. He's such a lucky guy. Gets to go free. Get bigger. Come on, Poggy. Where are you? Where's the Poggies, guys? They have eluded me today for sure. And that's what I came out here really for today. But can't, you know, it's fishing. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. Something took that off awfully fast. I didn't even feel the bite on that. Just felt the line just has no drag on it. I'm like, yo, well, I got taken off before it hit the bottom. Come on, where these muttons back at, man? I was just getting the muttons. I want them back. Muttons. Oh, I'm on mutton. I want that screamer. Let's go. Again. love the waves. Hey, hey, hey. Fish on, guys. I don't know what this one is, but little baby grouper. Little baby. As I said, like all the red groupers at least, they hang out with each other for the most part. Very territorial. So, but yeah, let's keep fishing. Something's gotta go in the ice box. Something. Make sure you get your scales off your hook. Bang. And there's not boats out here today, so yeah. Let's just say it takes a special kind of person to be out here doing this. I mean, there's a couple like dive boats and stuff like that. Oh, is he on there? Man, that's got a good pull, but I guess here comes the wind again. Oh, big wave. Oh, let's go. All right, we'll go this way. Dang, I wanted to be right in front, but it is what it is. Oh, let's go, fish driven family. Come on, where the mutton's at? Come on. Ah, something keeps picking it up. I want to say it's probably a trigger fish, because they're just known for that foolishness. I don't think I'm getting to the bottom fast enough anymore like I was before, but we'll see. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. What's going on here? There we go. Came back for it. I don't know what you is. Hope you're a mangrove snapper. Oh, we'll take it. We'll take it. Come on. Woohoo. Fish driven, baby. Snapper. The mangroves are showing up. No, these are okay sizes. No, the big ones are there, but I'll take what I can get right now. And I'll be honest with y'all, I don't even care to upgrade. I'm trying to get off of this water as fast as I can, because it's just, yeah. Don't care to be out here like this too much, but I'll take it. Mangroves are alright. I'll take it. Straighten them up in a second. Let's go. Come on, where the big mutton at, man? I want that big mutton back. Woo! Oh, what was that? What was that? That was a good bite. Started to swim it towards me fast, so didn't get a chance to capitalize on it like I wanted to. But it's all good. We're fishing, baby. Fish driven, let's go. Got a couple. Can't complain. Got a couple. Oh man. Come on. Feel like they're dragging me through the reef. No bueno for me. Take it easy now. Got a formula that's working. we're gonna keep fishing it. Right? That's how you do it. Keep fishing it. Bait's getting soft, but that's how it goes sometimes. Baits get soft. Rather it nice and frozen, but take it, you roll with it. Make it work. Too bad. What we got here? Oh, another mangrove. We're about to limit out, y'all. I'm hoping. Like, fishing can change that quick, like in an instant. 1 minute, it's like you're just catching grunt. Next minute, you're catching muttons. Next minute, you're catching grouper. Next minute, you're catching mangrove snapper. It's just, that's why I love it so much. Man, come on now. Oh, come on now. This is ridiculous. Why would you do that? Like, these waves just be randomly coming out of nowhere, man. But that's how it goes out here. You gotta know what you're doing. Let's go. And guys, you gotta make sure you know your rules and regulation when you're out here, man. Make sure you know them, because you might think you all good and dandy, and you're not. And some good hit. Ooh, there we go. Fish on. Fish on. This might be a nice no. Ah, nice yellowtail. Let's see if he meets it. I think he might. Hey, take it easy, buddy. Just want to say hi. See if you meet the criteria. He is, yeah. Why do I bother? I mean, he made it. All right, Dwayne, stop playing with the fish. Let's go. It's past 12. Let's go. Yellowtail on deck. Let's go. Felt a bite. And now it's starting to. Woo. 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 Oh. Let's go. Poggy. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Fish driven, baby. We got one. We got one. We got one. Thank you, sir. Let's go. Thank you. Get in there. Let's go. We got one. I'm so happy. I got one. I got one, fish driven family. Let's go. I got one. Come on. Give me another one. Let's go. I got one. Yes. Yes, I'm happy. Thank you, Mr. Poggy. Woo. I'm happy. Ecstatic. Let's go. Fish on, baby. Fish on, baby. Fish on, baby. We out here. Come on. What we got here? Oh, another mutton. Another mutton. Woohoo! Y'all out here eating all my chum. Nice mutton. Let's go. Let's go, fish-driven family. We out here. I gotta wipe this camera off. Make sure it's got no splashes on it. Yeah, so clean the camera finally. Sorry about that. I see there's a couple water spots on it, so yeah. Going back to look at this video is gonna probably be crazy. Come on, stop playing with, swallow the thing. There we go. There we go. Playing with it. Whoa, take it easy there. It's a big wave. Grunt. It's a grunt. It's a grunt. It's a... Let's go. I'm not playing with them, guys. Let it sit on that bottom. Let them get hungry. Then we just take it from them. Let them eat it. Bring them in. Woo. That might be a keeper. Eh. Jeez. Doing too much, sir. You're doing too much. Let's see. Right there. Right at 12. We'll let him go. Back at it again, guys. I bust off. Something ran me into the rocks. So I went back to a heavier sinker again. And see what happens. Whoa. Something gave me a pull. Oh, there we go. This one I'm talking about. This guy right here. Thank you, sir. Take you back for my tail. Put you back out there. All right. Three snapper. Three snapper. 3 mangrove, 2 yellowtail. All right. Looking up, looking up. Jeez. What in the world, man? Gotta go fast on them. Distract them. Yeah, figured. I was like, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, man. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Take it easy. I'm gonna get you out of here. Didn't need all of that. Didn't need all of that, sir. But either way, let's go. Oh yeah, come on, just like that. Call it out, call it out. All right, snapper number 4. Let's go. You thought you was gonna get away, huh? there's a bigger one than you down there like that. Come on, give me my hook. Fish driven, let's go. So, I'm back. Got off the water and didn't have a chance to, it was rough. I didn't get a chance to give a thingy, but we got our mangrove snappers and some yellowtails here. You know, Dad already started to bag them up, and I got some grunts, some poggies in there. But all in all, good day of fishing on the water, fish driven. Remember, like, subscribe, tell family, friends, and I'll catch you on the next one.